Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming basics. Make sure both the LG TV and Google Home are on the same Wi-Fi network and you're signed into the same Google account. Once done, update the TV's web OS and give the TV a clear name and settings so Google can find it. Next, open the Google Home app, tap Add, then Set Up Device. You're not done yet. This starts the discovery step that lets the app search your local network for the TV. Now you'll link accounts and grant permissions. In Google Home, pick Works with Google, then find LG ThinQ or Chromecast built-in depending on your model. Tap to link. Sign into your LG account and accept permissions so Google can control the TV and discover apps. Once linked, Google Home will ask you to assign the TV to a room and choose a concise name. This matters because you'll say that name in voice commands. Make sure the app completes. Finish by testing core commands. Ask Google to turn the TV on, change input, or cast from YouTube to verify control. If the TV doesn't respond, update the TV firmware and power cycle the router, Google Home, and TV. Restarts often resolve discovery issues. If problems continue, unlink LG from Google Home, then relink and reassign the room. Also confirm both devices use the exact same SSID, too. 4 versus 5 GHz can cause issues. That single relink step fixes most stubborn connections.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.